And I'm excited to show you a few tips about audio with your screencast recordings. So one thing to consider is background noise. Try to find a place that has minimal background noise. The second thing to consider is your microphones. Right now, I'm using my earbuds because they have an embedded microphone and it'll easily pick up my voice. But any microphone will work if it's attached to headphones, like this one. If you plug it right into the headphone jack on your computer, you can use that, or if you're using an iPad, the headphone jack on your iPad works very similar too. It doesn't have to be wireless, but that's just kind of one thing that I like doing because it's a little more out of your hands and you're not going to bump the cord because that can make some noise as well. The other thing to do if you are using an external mic, whatever mic that is, you want to make sure that you actually have that enabled. So when I go over to my settings for the audio in whatever screen program I'm using, I need to make sure I choose that microphone. I've now chosen the AirPods. The other thing to do is to test, is the volume coming through the microphone getting recorded at a level that you want? A lot of times when you click on the microphone, a dialog box will pop up where you can auto adjust, record, playback. Do this ahead of time, and it really helps with your audio recordings so you get an idea of what that's going to sound like and what that's going to look like for your audience. Few simple tips, but using an external microphone and also getting that recording in is super helpful. Thanks and have a great day.